Hello everybody, and today I'm gonna share about my new gadget, which is the trio rotatable waffle maker. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, I need both hands, so I'm just gonna pause it first, take it out. Yeah, okay, I took it out of the box. Okay, and let's see what is inside. Okay, wow. Okay, plug. Waffle Maker. It's trio. I don't know if it's a local brand or a Chinese brand, I don't know. Okay. There's a plate to catch the dust. No, not the dust. To catch any residue from the waffles. Warranty card. Manual. Okay, pretty standard. So let's take this out. I'm gonna need both my hands, yeah. Okay, so this is the waffle maker. Okay, lid. I'm gonna, yep, there it is. So I'm gonna try it out in a bit. I'm gonna make one waffle, and oh, it's locked, is it? It cannot spin. Okay, it rotates. So I'm gonna test to make a waffle in a bit. I cannot wait. I'm excited. Good morning. So today we're going to test out the waffle maker that I unboxed yesterday. So what you do is you need to wipe the insides with a damp cloth. Okay, wipe it maybe a few times until it's clean. You can wipe the outside also if you want to. Then you put the plate underneath. You plug it in, turn it on. Okay, you can already set the dial to the desired waffle crispiness. It has light, so this is medium and dark. Okay, I have my batter that I made early this morning. This is a standard Belgian waffle mix or yeast waffle batter. As I said, the insides are non-stick, but I still like to wipe on some butter so it doesn't stick, and it gives a nice effect to the waffle and some flavor to the outside of the waffle. So then we wait for the waffle iron to heat up and we can put in the waffle mix. Okay, so the green light is off now and only the red light is on. We are going to put in the waffle batter. Woohoo! Okay, I don't know if a cup is enough or it's a lot. I'm just gonna put in a cup. That's it. And turn. And wait. Okay, the green light is on, so it's ready. I wonder how it looks like. Okay, and we're gonna open the lid. Wow! Yeah, I set it to dark, so it's dark. I'm gonna take a plate. Use a plastic tong or a silicone tong, yeah, to get the waffle out. Is it stuck? It's not stuck. Okay. Yep. Okay, this is the front part. Perfect, crispy Belgian waffles. Beautiful. Let's take a bite, yeah? They look really crispy. Okay, let's hear the crunch. We'll post the better waffle recipe